a great day for a drive, especially in a 2025 Maverick XL in desert sand. It has the dark slate interior, seating for 5, 4 doors, and a 4-foot box. It has a 2-liter EcoBoost engine paired with an automatic transmission, and it's an all-wheel drive. It also has a nice mat in the cargo area, a trailer tow hitch, along with many other features. If you'd like to take this vehicle out on a test drive, you can book it online at islandford.ca. Stay tuned, we're going to have a look under the hood and inside and out. It's a 2-liter EcoBoost. It is paired with an automatic transmission, and it's an all-wheel drive. Let's have a look inside. In the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. The driver's seat is manually adjusted, and you have this nice all-weather mat with the Maverick badging. You also have your high mount light and lighting controls. And then on the face of the steering wheel, we have our cruise control and volume, menu, and hands-free dialing. We're going to start up the vehicle. You're going to see any important messages, the odometer reading, and we're going to go in there. And let's turn down our volume. There we go. It's just reminding us to wear our seat belts, and we can go back in to our menu there, and they have sub-menus, little cubby in behind the screen, and then we've got this nice big screen. This is just a protective cover. We can go into our settings, and you're going to see you have the little side menu, and then you can slide through for whatever you want. They have sub-menus as well, and then we can go into our features. Your owner's manual's in there, towing and driver assistance. And when we put the vehicle in reverse, this is where we're going to see our backup camera view. So right off the back here, center line, green, yellow, red, just how close we are to other objects or vehicles. So let's put us back into park. You've got your climate control, AC, fan, and front defrost. Your vents are there, volume, and you've got your hazard lights, front defrost, auto hold. So if you're on an incline or towing, you would use the auto hold, USB-C and USB, and a 12-volt. Nice little place to put items. And then your dial shifter, electronic parking brake, traction control, and auto stop start for less idle time. A couple of cup holders, cubbies galore here, and the armrest opens up, lots of room in there. Glove compartment off to the side, manually dimming rear view mirror, lighting controls, sunglass holder, and a grab handle on the passenger side, just making it easier to get in. 18-inch wheels, mud flaps, black door handle, driver's side capless, easy fuel gas filler, and just below your Ford badge is where your backup camera is located. You also have a trailer tow hitch, and when you're ready to open it up, just put your hand in the latch. And you've got tie downs in all 4 corners, this nice mat. And then when you're ready, just close it up, lock it up, and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. Speaker in the door, as well as power windows. There's seating for 3, and this is a bench seat. So there's pulls on either end. You only have to pull one, and then you have access to the storage underneath, and then just pop it down. You've got that extra carpeted mat, and you're seeing your funnel as well. Slim pockets on the back of the front seat, and your USB outlets. And that little slot, you can 3D print cup holders or a table, whatever you'd like. Grab handles and hooks off to the side, dome lighting up top, and access to a big window in the rear. Have a mat in the 4-foot box, and mud flaps. In the rear, there's a reverse camera and trailer tow hitch, privacy glass in the back windows with window vents, adjustable side view mirror, and you've got auto high beams, and so many more reasons to visit us. If you like this video and would like to see more, please subscribe. We have plenty to share with you, and we'd love to hear your comments.